Good Friday morning, everyone. Rain showers are starting to move out of the area this morning, and we should see drier conditions today. Fog will continue to be in the area this morning, but we should see that fog dissipating and some drier conditions this afternoon. So that will be certainly welcome changes here. Tomorrow, we will see a chance for rain, but the best chance for rain will be south of us here. But I do think we will see some showers here in the Indianapolis area for tomorrow, and beautiful weather coming in for our day on Sunday. So here's a look at the radar this morning with the temperatures. Temperatures still around 60 in Indy, but we are starting to see those temperatures falling a bit into the 50s as we do see some fog working in as well. So again, today some patchy morning fog, and then we're dry this afternoon. A high temperature of 68 degrees today, 50s tonight. If you're heading out to the mini marathon tomorrow morning, you should see perhaps a few areas of drizzle. But overall, not going to be a bad morning with temperatures in the 50s. Tomorrow, we should see a high in the lower 60s with that chance for rain. But the good news is, Sunday looks to be a very nice day. Here's a look at that timing of the rain tomorrow. Again, especially along and south of I-70 will be that main chance of rain for our day tomorrow. And then Sunday and Monday, 2 days to really enjoy, get outside, enjoy the nice weather here Sunday and Monday. Because once we get to Tuesday and forward, we will see several chances for rain and some thunderstorms Tuesday through Thursday of next week. So not a bad looking weekend, I guess, if you can look past tomorrow. I know tomorrow's not going to be the best of weather days. If you don't mind a little rain though. And then Sunday we should see a beautiful day to get outside and make those outdoor plans. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.